Okay, so now, just like in the last video, let's look at these two factors. And let's remember the difference between a factor and a term, okay? So now, up in part A, notice what I have here. Now, 2a in this case is a factor. Because again, let's just put some parentheses here so you see what's going on. So we've got 2a over 2a times x. And so again, this is going to cancel with this because this divided by this equals 1, right? Now, be careful. This is not equal to 0 because again, this does not equal 0 over x, okay? There's got to be something left behind because you've got to be able to multiply the top and the bottom by the same thing to go backwards, to go back to what you started with. Okay, so now, if you want to see it further, just put a 1 up here. Now, what happens? This cancels with that and you get 1 over x. Okay, why? Because this was a factor. This here, 2a, is not a factor. It's a term. So you can't cancel these out. Okay? The best you can do, well actually no, there's actually nothing you can do here. You can't even factor anything. So there's nothing you can do with that. Okay? So you're done with that. So it can't be reduced. So the takeaway to this is, look, you cannot cancel across addition and subtraction when you've got division. Okay, remember the inverse operations. The only inverse operations can undo things or cancel each other out. So if you have multiplication with division, you can do cancellation. If you have addition with subtraction, you can cancel things out, but not the other way around. So you can't cancel with multiplication and division with adding and subtracting. So this would not work. Okay? You've got to be able to have factors on the top and the bottom, not terms. Okay? Okay. I think that's all I want to say. Again, just make sure you pay attention.